All right. Well, we're here on a Saturday. We've got Jay. Look at him in there in the shower. He's going to punch a hole.
No, they have a camera on now. It's gonna go totally haywire.
Yeah, no.
That's how this stuff works.
But you're really popular on YouTube.
Oh, am I?
Yep.
You getting residuals?
Nope.
No residuals.
There's a hole, Janus.
Look at the hole. Gotta make another hole real quick, too.
Whoa, that's dark. Make sure. No. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Hold on. Put your face back in there. Hey, buddy. That's a star right there.
Daddy's home.
Uh-oh, we get it stuck in the blade thing?
No, it comes. Yeah, that's probably give us cancer in a couple years.
You can't inhale this stuff, Joe. Jeez.
That was a dumb idea.
Awesome.
When I got it on tape, it'll be for the whole world to see.
Hey, it's only been a year that we've been at this, so.
Has it been a year already?
Yeah.
We're slow.
Nah. COVID. We blame everything on COVID. Very cool, man. Oh, a couple of access points here. So we cut that out today to line the drain up. We got Jay over here in his shower. Holy moly, that's awesome. All right, till the next thing. All right, well, looks like we're back at it again. We've got Jay down in the shower in the basement, working on the apartment side shower. We had to realign the drain because the shower moved over about 2 inches. But we got the master at work here. We had to run to Ace Hardware, which you'll see later on in this video. Yeah, it was a fun time having to move these over. And then we went ahead and, as you can tell, we put in the regulator for the shower, and went ahead and finalized all the pipes. So we're pretty excited. Jay's just brilliant at this stuff. He's I know he's got to work in small spaces, but at least all this is pretty much open. And had to make an access point here for the drain, and then and we'll just leave that open, and put some insulation behind the wall there. The side that Jay's laying on is the second bathroom, so we'll just the shower is going to face the opposite direction there, so we'll have an access point. All right, we're at Ace Hardware. I don't know, they got this music blaring, you can't even think. Hopefully it doesn't get demonetized. But yeah, we're doing the. What do you got here for us, man?
So we need 2 of these. They have 1.
Oh, great. So we're gonna get a whole pack?
10 pack is up to you, buddy.
What's a 10 pack?
A 14 to 3.
Oh, it's 15 bucks, huh?
Yeah.
It's all money. It's all good.
Kenny's made of money though, man. So
that's right. It's that McDonald money, you know what I'm talking about? All right. Well, we're heading out. I got to get off here because of the music. And for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, oh yeah, we got water. We got the shower nozzle installed. All the pretty. Amazing. Taking butt, taking names.
Yep, not going home and doing nothing the rest of the day.
That's right. Because plumbing sucks. So, but I also made a boo-boo and drilled through a pipe. So Jay fixed that as well. Right up there. So now I can sleep at night. And then we'll go through the second bathroom here. Doop, doop, doop. We'll just walk through the second shower. And as you can tell, we've got all this installed. So awesome. The drain's all hooked up. No leaky leaks. Man, look at the quality work there, Jay. Great job, my man.
Thank you.
I love ya.
Love you too. Don't thank me until you find your first leak. Right, Give it a few weeks.
He's super confident in his work. But we're probably 10-0 at this point. So, but yeah, the second bath, we fixed our shower upstairs. Looks like our regulator or whatever it was had rocks in it. So the hot water wouldn't turn on.
Doesn't Mike work for the water company?
Yeah, we need to talk to him about
water
that.
Them rocks in the water, buddy.
Jeez, even the soft water couldn't tackle that. All right. So we got Jay in our new shower. Looks like we had the hot water dinky dink something. The hot water pressure went down. Brand new shower.
There we go.
And we had a big clump of something fall out of there.
Hopefully get that thing out of there.
Oh yeah, look at that. More came out.
Let me pull this thing actually.
Look at all this stuff falling out of the regulator. Ooh.
Yeah, there's a big old. Have a.
Oh yeah. Hopefully all the seals look pretty good.
Yeah. Hey, look.
Let me see inside this thing. So right in, oh, you can see even the dirt in there. Let me clean that up. Oh, look at that. Got a serial number for this, dude? All right. So, oh, we can't clean it out because there aren't one around. But yeah, it's dirty in there, man. Ew. We have our soft water. We're back with Jay. I think he's found the problem.
There's a little chunk of rock or something in there. I can just see pieces of it down here.
Look at that, man. Crazy. But it's sloppy, messy here. We may clean that out. That's probably where it came from right there. Oh yeah, it probably scooted up in there.
Yeah, so just gotta get my wet finger. Once you put this in, you know what I mean? Like that's right there, just paint.
Yeah, so the seals probably push it up through, but we do have a lot of sediment here in Eagle Mountain. But yeah, the cold water was doing great, and then you turn the hot water on and it go whoop.
So we'll put this back in, we'll turn it on.
And hope for the best, right? Hopefully I didn't screw it up by turning on and off, on and off, on and off.
No, I'm sure we're... now that I've...
All right.
Now I can be trusted you.
So now, the mountain on this side of the mouth. Oh,
that's nice.
That's hilarious. Oh, that's like...
Okay,
right there,
okay, that makes a little more sense. I gotta know that thing didn't grow little slots on there while we're...
Do you need this first? Or...
No, I'll put this on.
And you gotta make sure you put your key in there.
Yeah, because that thing will pop right out when you get pressure on there. So we're good there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go turn the water on.
Make it have getting sense? Is it getting really hot?
Not yet.
So turn it just a little more. Should be to the left.
Alright, turn it cold, but got a little valve thing
See,
down
and
there.
it's not dropping off at all.
No, it's not dropping off. So that's...
Look at the pressure on that thing. Oh yeah, I can already feel. Just getting warm.
Feels warm. It doesn't feel like it's not.
Because you have to turn it all the way like till it stops. But normally,
Let's put the thing on real quick and then we'll.
Yeah.
Might be easier for us to decipher.
Yeah, because the handle has a limiter on it.
These are the fun parts. Getting these back.
Well, you gotta put that this on first.
Well, it'll slide right in.
Oh, okay. He's the plumber.
I put the valve in properly, so. So don't take too much confidence.
I never thought we'd be in the shower together. You know what I mean?
That's first for everything, buddy.
It's kind of weird. There's enough room in here for us.
There's enough room for 2 large men.
Look at all the shit coming out of here.
Oh yeah, you got a bunch of goodies in
Stuff, YouTube.
Yep.
I'll get demonetized for that.
Yeah.
Never thought you'd get wet over here, huh?
Man, you're freaking not gonna make you lost all your money, man. Kick you off.
Oh, this is the editor's delight. So you can get a little bit of runnage off in there.
For the note, this isn't me this time. The saying potty words.
But they want you to say potty words. Jay, you are the star.
I'm the star. I talk so fast I can't understand what my potty words are half the time.
Is that when you got a beard in your beard?
My boom hammer. I don't see anybody else in my hand.
Put that damn screw down there, man. We'll tie it over right and let it lift out. You know what I mean?
See, I knew I had problems. I went to Mississippi. Like, what the hell did you just say, boy?
That's right. What did you say?
I got down the street and then I goddamn name say it. Okay.
I got to Utah and this is how I speak. And they told me not to use a screw gun on this ever.
Oh, yeah. Freaking
strip and grip, and then you could pop the marble.
Yeah, I just want to hand tighten this puppy.
Looks like the water's on just a little bit.
Yeah.
Here's yours. Then we got this thing. Gentle.
Yeah, just make sure you get that. You have it all the way in. That would have been nice.
Jay's he's our linebacker of plumbing here.
Oh shit!
That's awesome. Yeah, all the way to the left until it stops. Is it not stopping anymore? All right. Well, we got the magic of Jay over here.
Only took us 3 tries.
Only took us 3 tries, but hey, new tech, right? That's what happens. We got one more screw. We got all the parts. Don't worry, we got all the parts, people.
Yeah,
yeah, this is gonna be fun right here. Take a shower while you put the screw in. Oh yeah. Look at that pressure, man. So much better. Well, it's hard to see it on camera, but got that high def thing going on. So Jay is soaked. Look at his hair.
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
Taking a second shower today.
I offered to do this, but he said, no, you be the cameraman. And I was like, okay.
I don't know. I'm waiting for that YouTube fame coming in. So yeah.
What's that? The YouTube money?
YouTube money.
See, get that little teeny Allen wrench screw right there.
You know.
Oh, and an elbow. Yeah. So now we're going to let the puppy heat up. But big old rocks.
Oh yeah, I feel that puppy.
That's crazy. Let me see. Oh! Oh yeah, that's working now.
Yeah, a big old rock. Yeah.
Thank you, Jay.
No problem.
Look at this debris that came out of there, you guys.
Drywall mud.
Crazy. All right.
Rock chunks.
Well, that's how the cookie crumbles. Thanks, Jay.
No problem.